Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So just about to introduce to you a new stock item in our used stock here, in that of a Swift S-Line 650 2015, based on the Quattro EW. Fantastically well-spec'd 6-berth family caravan on a twin axle. So here's a good look at that particular caravan. So a nice generous sized front locker box, space for two 6kg gas bottles, electric hookup cable, light items such as your step and your steady winder, just being careful and cautious of your nose weight. As we come down the side of the caravan, you've got an exterior barbecue point, a wet locker box and also 240-volt socket. The S-Line logo coming down as it's a dealer special by another dealership. You've got the rear access hatch to underneath that French bed, and there is your bedroom window. This caravan does not have a motor mover currently fitted to it. If that is a need or a consideration for you, we've got some fantastically competitive prices on our motor movers. So stepping inside the caravan, the first thing you've got is this wonderful L-shaped front lounge. And that little thing you see on the bottom there, it's where a clip-in table clips in to create a wonderful dining experience at the front lounge. You've got the panoramic sunroof, coupled with this wonderful wood effect, also with a medium Hecky light in the central there, creating a fantastic feeling of light and space. Truma blown air heating system is what you're benefiting from in this particular model, and the main command centre located above the habitation door. You've got a side dinette that you see here, which these brackets that you see convert into bunk beds, creating a double set of bunks there, also with privacy curtain running along the rail. Your kitchen area, you've got 3 gas hob burners in a combination oven and grill with pan storage underneath. A generous sized under counter fridge with further storage, and a real large kitchen work surface. And that work surface over there drops down to create further space should you need it. Easy usable height microwave as we step forwards to the very large French bed with storage underneath. Generous sized wardrobe located just next to the French bed with further storage in the bedroom area. So going towards the back of the caravan, you've got a large individual shower cubicle, high quality of finish on the sink with vanity mirror, and also your Thetford toilet with a shelf just located above there. So you have got a position here with 240-volt socket located there, and you have also got your television points located just here to pop a TV on the side should you need it. So that gives you a really good feeling, a good understanding for what this caravan is all about. If you have any queries or questions, please feel free to contact us. We'd love the opportunity to do business with you, and I hope you've enjoyed the walk-round tour of this caravan. Thanks very much. Bye-bye now.